In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target friends on Monopoly Go. Whether you're looking to add a bit of friendly rivalry to your games, or you just want to test your strategy against your pals, targeting friends in Monopoly Go can be a fun way to enhance your gameplay. So let's dive in and explore how you can challenge your friends directly in this engaging board game app. First, you'll want to ensure that you have the Monopoly Go app open and ready to go on your device. If you haven't already installed it, just head over to your device's app store, download Monopoly Go and get yourself set up. Once you have the app open, you'll see the familiar Monopoly board layout, ready for you to start your game. Next, you'll be rolling the dice, which is the core mechanic of Monopoly Go. As with the traditional Monopoly game, you'll want to keep throwing the dice until you land an attack. In Monopoly Go, you perform various actions based on where you land, and attacks are one of the critical parts of gameplay that allow you to interact with other players. After you've rolled an attack, you'll need to choose your opponent wisely. You can find the option by looking for a button labelled Switch Opponents. When you tap this, it opens up a menu that allows you to change your target from the default choice to someone more personal, like a friend who's online or recently played with you. This is where it gets interesting, as you're about to put your strategy to the test against someone you know. From the opponent menu, tap on Friends. This will give you access to your list of Monopoly Go friends, people you've connected with on the app or added via social media. This makes it a great time to invite more of your real-world friends to play through Monopoly Go social features, as it enhances the experience and makes it easier to target them for this kind of friendly gameplay interaction. The final step involves selecting the friend you want to specifically target for your attack. Simply browse through your friend list and tap on the name of the person you wish to engage with. Once selected, your dice roll will go towards challenging your chosen friend. It's a fun way to add some rivalry, while still sticking to the good-natured competition that Monopoly Go encourages. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily target friends in Monopoly Go, adding a personal twist to every dice roll and bringing your friends into the game. So, the next time you're looking for a little competitive fun in Monopoly Go, use these steps to make your gameplay more interactive and vibrant. Thank you for watching, and may the best strategist win.